In this video, I'll be showing you how you can make $1,000 per day without any effort using artificial intelligence that nobody knows about. And no, it's not ChatGPT like you may be thinking. Starting dropshipping can be extremely time consuming for new beginners. There's so many moving parts that go into building a Shopify store. You have to create the branding, you have to add products, you have to write copywriting for those products, you have to import reviews, and the list goes on. This AI tool I'll be showing you is completely free and it will do all those things for you in under 5 minutes. So let's hop straight into it to see if all of this is really true. And before we get started, let's put the 5-minute timer on the screen so we can get right into building this store. So first thing, just go to the description of this video and the AI Store Builder link will be at the top. Once you click on the link, you're going to see this page. Create your online store in just 5 minutes for free. Pick your niche. Our AI builds your store, adds 10 winning products, and we teach you how to start selling today. We see here every day, 228 new individuals make their first sale using Store Build AI. Basically, it's just 3 easy steps. AI builds your store, the products get loaded, and you start making money. And here are a few results of people who actually use this AI Store Builder to start generating sales. This guy made his first sale with $33. This one did 2,500 euros. And this is kind of what your store is going to look like depending on the niche you pick. These are just a few variants of stores that the AI could generate you. And we also have a few FAQs down here if you have any questions about the AI Store Builder itself. But just scroll all the way up. You're going to hit build my free store. And here you're going to input your email. You're just going to hit create your free account. So first, select the type of items you want your store to sell. We'll tailor the store design and product selection according to what you pick. We're going to go with sports and we can hit next. This is the part where you select the store color. We're going to go with the orange and then we can hit next. This is the part where you choose the banners for your store. I like this be your best one. It looks the cleanest. We're going to go with this one. You can hit next. Congrats, your store is ready. Just hit claim my Shopify store. Create a Shopify account and select the plan. Time to build your Shopify success story. So first, click the create my Shopify store button below to launch the Shopify website in a new tab. So we're just going to register on Shopify. We're going to insert the same email. We're going to put the same email again and we can hit start free trial. Now we're going to create a password for our Shopify store. Just hit create Shopify account. For this one, we're going to hit an online store. We can hit next. I'm just starting. We're going to hit dropshipping products. Get started. Which plan do you want to try? We're going to go with the basic plan and we're just going to input our card information in. So let me just do this really quickly. And Shopify isn't going to charge you for the first 3 days. Once you hit subscribe for $1, you're basically on a free trial for 3 days. So just see if you like the store builder. If not, just cancel it before they charge you. And now we could just hit subscribe for $1. Now you have to add your business address. If you don't have a business address, just add your personal address and add your phone number as well. And you can hit save business address. Now your Shopify store is created. So go back to the AI Store Builder. You're going to hit next and just hit I have activated it. Let's link your Shopify store to the ZenDrop application. Copy Shopify store URL and paste it right here. So just go back to Shopify, copy this store URL up here, go back to the AI Store Builder, paste it in. You can hit save. Let's get your store built and loaded with top winning products. By installing the ZenDrop app for free, our AI tool can load your products and link products directly onto your Shopify account. To complete your setup, follow the steps below. And basically this is the part where we activate the supplier for our store. Every single product the AI imports into our store will have the supplier already linked. So whenever a customer places an order on our website, we could just automatically ship that product to their house. So just hit activate ZenDrop, you hit install, and now just hit install, hit approve, and ZenDrop is installed. So go back to the AI Store Builder, you can hit next. Your dream store is just minutes away. Click next, go live, and our AI will work its magic to build your store. No designers or coders needed. Get everything you need for free. So all you have to hit is next, go live. And now please wait, AI is building your store. This can take up to 1 minute. So let's just wait and see what the AI will build us. Congratulations on your new Shopify store. You're just a few clicks away from going live and making your first sale. So all you have to hit is access Shopify and publish. We're going to hit manage password. We're going to uncheck the password. We're going to hit save. And our online store is open to everyone. So let's click online store. Let's go to customize. Let's see what this AI Store Builder built us. So at the top here, we have the free worldwide shipping banner where it says my store. This is where you're going to upload the logo for your brand. We have 3 pages. We have the banner, be your best, 3 little icons, top quality products, worldwide shipping, and money back guarantee. These are a few bestseller products that imported into our store. And we have a little testimonials section down here with our policies at the footer down here. Let's click catalog. Let's see what products it imported into our store. So we have the 3D pop-up fantasy book keychain for $18. We have the Bluetooth boxing machine for $192. Stretch reliever mini punching bag for $54. And this massager mat for your foot for $20. Let's click on this Bluetooth boxing machine. It has this little section that says hot product, low stock, product name appear, some reviews, 3 little variants for the product, some reviews under the add to cart button, and also how long the product is going to take to get to the customer's house. The good thing about this AI store builder is it also comes with a lot of pre-built sections. So all you have to do is come here to the left side, uncheck all of these sections, and it should build your complete product page just without the copywriting, but it should have the whole layout ready to go. So let me show you what it's going to look like. So this is what your product page after you unhide all the sections should look like. You have the frequently bought together, you have this little builder section where you can add some icons, an image, and a little headline and description. You have the comparison table, basically compares your brand to others and why your brand is better. You have this little scrolling animation that basically you can display the offers you are running for your store. We have this little results section that basically says what results the customers got with your product. Very good if you're running health, fitness related products. We also have this testimonial section just like the home page, and we have this sticky add to cart button that whenever the customer scrolls down, it appears just like that. Very clean. So these are all the products the AI store builder has imported into our store. I want to see how much we can actually get these products from the supplier for. So we're going to go to the ZenDrop app. We're going to go to my products, and under store listings and sourcing, you can see all the products that are imported into your store. For example, let's check out this Bluetooth boxing machine. Let's see how much we get it for. On our website, it's listed for $192. On ZenDrop, we can get this same product for $17.25, and the shipping is $45.66 just because the product is so big. So we get this product for a total of $62.91. And we're currently selling it on our website for $192. Now let's check out this stress reliever mini punching bag. Let's see how much we can get this for on ZenDrop. So inside ZenDrop, we get this product for $4 and the shipping is $13. So the total comes out to $17.28, and we're selling this product on our store for $54.26. So this AI store builder is insanely good because it builds your complete store ready to go without you having to spend hours searching for products, hours building the sections on the website, hours trying to get everything to look right. You just sit here for 5 minutes, get this full store ready to go, ready to get started drop shipping. And if you're wondering, Leo, what if I don't want to test any of the products the AI store builder gave me? Well, you can either go on TikTok and just scroll through and see if you find products using the TikTok burner method, or you can use product research tools like PP Ads, which is currently the best method I use. Usually to find products, I just go inside PP Ads, and what I do is I go in the product section, I go add product, and basically I keep everything simple. Impressions, I like to keep it 100,000. We're gonna hit apply. Also countries, I like to keep United States, Australia, and UK. I want to see what people are running in these big 3 countries, and then I usually hit apply. And number of ads, I usually have 3 minimum ads, and I just scroll through to see if I find any products that are interesting, and I just scroll through to see if I find products that have a wow factor, that are small enough to ship, and that have a good cost on ZenDrop, so I can actually supply this product and sell it for a good price. So let me just scroll through and see if we actually find some good products. So I like this neon cowboy hat. I usually just open link in new tab whenever I find an interesting product. Moissanite cross in white gold. This person is selling it for $99. Oh, I've seen this product on my feed, the baby head protector backpack pillow. This is a very interesting product because it protects kids against like falling and hitting their head. It's a very cheap product to fulfill. I'm not sure how much we can actually get it for, but once you click inside the product, you can see everything about this competitor. You can see their product link, what they call their product, what they're selling this product for, what category they're in, where they host their website, when they created this product, so July 9, 2024. You can see both the ads they're running on TikTok and the ads they're running on Facebook. And say, for example, you like this video right here, it has 53,000 impressions and you want to download it to your computer. All you have to hit is download media and it'll be downloaded straight into your computer so you can use for your own TikTok ads. Let's scroll down and see if we find any more interesting products. Firm tummy compression bodysuit shaper, very good product. Ultra portable smart projector. Let's check out this product right here. It looks small enough to ship. Projector for your home. It's very good because it removes the use of a TV. You can basically have a TV in any room of your house as long as it has an empty wall for you to basically project the screen onto it. And let's check out their website real quick. So they're displaying Netflix, compatible with HDMI. They're selling it for $167. Very interesting. They're running ads on TikTok and Facebook. Let's see their ads they're running. So a lot of video ads throughout. Let's see the highest impression one. Sort by impression. So 65,000 impressions. This one is the most viewed video. And let's see if we find this product inside of ZenDrop itself. So they have this mini projector. It's like this yellow one. Perfect. Easy enough. Mini projector 4K We can get this product for $57 and $8 for shipping, so a total of $65. They are currently selling this product for $167. So if we do choose to advertise this product, we're going to be very profitable, over $100 in profit in every single order. Also, ZenDrop makes it super easy to import the product to your store. All you have to do is hit add to my products. You're going to go under my products right here. You're going to review and publish, and all you have to hit is publish to my store, and this product will be imported straight into your store with supplier already connected. So whenever somebody places an order, you can ship it directly to the customer. Let's go through PP ads and see if we find any more interesting products. This spire tree right here looks very interesting. Little water gun for the summer, little wallet that pops out. Time Porta. This product is very good because you can scroll through thousands of products a day and see which products you want to test and see what the competitors are doing, what ads they're running, everything behind their business on what makes it profitable. If you guys are interested in PP ads, I'll have it linked below. I think you guys get like 20% off if you guys use my link. And let's see if we find more interesting products. Eternal Rose Box. Let's see this one. 454 million impressions. Wow. So the brand selling this product is Fabulove. They're currently advertising 78% on TikTok and 22% on Facebook. And you can see that most of their traffic is coming from TikTok, even in terms of likes itself. Let's see what TikTok ads they're running. So their highest impression video has 40 million views. Wow. And it's basically this woman talking about her jewelry, I guess. And say, for example, we want to download this exact ad that got 40 million impressions. All we have to hit is download media, and this ad will be downloaded straight into our computer. You can also see who they were targeting, what niches they were targeting, what countries, everything behind their ads. If we go inside of ZenDrop itself, I want to see if we find that product. Let's see, rose necklace. Rose box necklace. Is this it? Kind of looks like it. So a very similar product to whatever they're selling. You can probably scroll through ZenDrop and find the exact, but just this one they're selling it for $49.99, and we can get it on ZenDrop for $13 shipped. So you can just see there's a lot of potential to make money in the dropshipping industry, especially now where AI can literally help you with every single part of the business. If you got any value away from this video, please make sure to like and subscribe to the channel. I'll be making more videos like this one in the near future. And like always, my name is Leo, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.